lends money for the sake of trade or business through a written agreement according to the teachings of Islam and fixes a rate of interest, at the same time undertakes to take a share in case of loss. Would Hazur kindly let us know if this is permissible?
Is interest permissible in Islam?
A fixed rate of interest at the same time undertakes to take a share in the case of loss.
Fixed rate of interest does not go with the second clause.
What I meant was, if they say that if a person who lends the money...
In the first place, in your opening statement, you have already declared it to be an Islamic, valid agreement, haven't you?
Yes.
So what are you asking about then? If in your opinion, it is already a valid Islamic agreement...
Mazur, I don't know whether it is valid or not.
But you mentioned it in the first statement. Read it again.
No, what I said...
No, read it again, please. Read the whole question again.
Hazur, if a person lends money for the sake of trade or business through a written agreement, that is my mistake according to the that should be omitted, I think.
Please ask. First omitted, then ask the question.
So Hazur, I will take it as omitted.
Okay.
I did again omitting that.
You better make it as omitted. Read it as omitted.
Yes, I read it.
Correct.
Hazur, if a person lends money for the sake of trade or business through a written agreement and fixes a rate of interest, at the same time undertakes to take a share in case of loss, would Hazur kindly let us know if this is permissible?
Fixed rate of interest and loss, they don't go together. According to Islamic jurisprudence, if an agreement is made between the two parties and that agreement has some clauses offensive to the spirit of Islam, then the agreement stands and the clauses go. They are considered as omitted and not valid. So if, however unanimous the agreement be, I mean all the parties concerned may be Muslims and may unanimously agree to it and sign it, yet it will not be binding if they go to Qaza in case of disagreement later on. If they go to Qaza, Islamic Court of Justice, they would delete all those clauses which are offensive to Islam and read the agreement as if those clauses were never contained in that. Now this clause, which speaks of fixed rate of interest, is offensive to Islam, it will go. The only clause would be left would be they promise to share the loss, well and good, there is nothing wrong with that. If in an agreement both the parties agree to share the loss, what objection can Islam have to that? After start.
In a number of Muslim countries these days, they are modifying their banking system and trying to apparently eliminate the interest which they were charging the banks. And instead they have opened new system which apparently doesn't...
We also might do like that, but not to defeat the spirit, but to enforce the spirit of Islam. That is our intention.
Yes, sir. Well, apparently, suppose somebody does not wish to secure any interest from the banks, but if he has some money which is lying there, and the bank does not declare any fixed interest rate, but they say that they will be declaring a profit, which...
No, it is not the change of nomenclature. It is the change of practice which is significant and which has to be studied. If, for instance, all banks are compelled by the banking laws of various countries to deposit the bank's money or a certain proportion of bank's money into government banks with fixed rates. So their profit, whatever name they give it, would be at least partly interest. So when they give somebody something in the name of profit, that interest which they would have received from the government, under compulsion of course, that would be a part of that profit. So if it is understood that that money which comes as interest is not to be treated as profit and it is to be diverted to other sources which are permissible in Islam, then there is no objection. Otherwise it will be still objectionable, because if you mix even a drop of filth in milk, of course the whole milk becomes filthy.
Thank you, sir.
After that boy, the young boy, yes please.
So,
Why, sir?
when a woman wants to become a Muslim, when a woman wants to become a Muslim, how do we perform the bad?
Like perform the bad, you know, to touch the hand is not an essential part of the bad. You can perform bad in writing by applying your signature underneath after reading the conditions. And also you can repeat it verbally behind someone. That is the essential part. To touch the hand is not essential. So they can always perform the essential parts like men do. There is no difference between men and women in that respect. Yes, please.
About the same subject, so about like.
First of all, introduce yourself.
Yeah?
Introduce yourself.
My name is Abdul Karim.
From where are you?
North Road.
Huh?
North Road, Greenford area.
Are you Ahmadi?
Yeah. So I'd like to ask my question in Urdu, probably that be.
Yes, okay, all right, go ahead. Ask me.
ये इंटरेस्ट की बात हो रही थी, तो उससे मेरे को आज दोबारा ये बात याद आई है कि आमतौर पे हम जब मिडिल क्लास लोग हैं बैंक से
बिजनेस क्लास
मिडिल क्लास बिजनेस क्लास में शायद ऐसे ही आते हैं, तो हम पैसे जो बैंक से लेते हैं कर्ज के ऊपर, इंटरेस्ट के ऊपर, जहाँ तक मुझे लग रहा है ये सूद लेना और देना आराम है, तो उसका फिर क्या है? हमारा तो कोई कारण है।
The point is that we are in the midst of a monetary system in which we are made completely helpless, and you simply cannot avoid that involvement altogether. Some involvements we can avoid, some we simply cannot. So those which we can avoid should be avoided. Again, it's an individual decision sometimes. Some people are more firm in their principles and in their conduct as well. They think things are avoidable, while some other people in the same situation think that they are unavoidable for them. So in such circumstances, it is always best not to ask too many questions. Otherwise, the life would become very difficult, and every Ahmadi is not of the same standard that he can keep to the same strict rules and regulations. So let it be a loosely arranged affair where some play is given to individual decision. But those situations which are very clear and clearly laid down, that should be kept in mind, and such situations should always be strictly avoided. For instance,